Okay. So Ranti is going to count 1, 2, 3, and Kevin is going to start.
So, Kevin, you're ready, right? You should be
Uh,
one,
Okay, okay.
two, three.
okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon for Mr. Ian and then the others. So today I want to talk about something that many of us might have
Mm.
like experience at some point in our life. It's about the nervousness and fear associated with public speaking. It means like you have a fear and nervous to speak to a lot of people. I also have that. So, but it's not weird, but it's normal and common because we are the human. So, before we start the topic, so but why do we feel this way? I mean, why we have this nervous and then fear? I think the reason is can be manifold, and then it could be like the fear of being judged or criticized, and then you worry of making mistake. Like what I said, we are the human, so we are not perfect. I mean, if we do some mistake, yeah, it's normal. So we don't need to scare to making a mistake because mistake is like, yeah, I think it's a normal. And then or simply the discomfort and then of being the center of attention. I know to be a being of center of attention is make fear and nervous, and then make your body is shaking or something. And then whatever is the reason, maybe it's, I think it's essential and to recognize that fear, this fear is natural and common. So in this topic, I will to share how to make nervous and fear is disappear. So I will give like 4 tips for this topic. So the first one is you have to prepare for before you talk to the audience. I mean, uh, prepare is so important because without the prepare, so we don't know what we have to talk to the audience. So we have to prepare. Maybe you can talk to your parents, and then talk to your brother or your sister or your friends to make to build more confidence. And then the tips number 2 is I think you should have the confidence. Confidence is also important because uh, without confidence, so we cannot to speak with clearly, and then with so like you need to build the more confidence to yourself, like what I said. So you maybe you can talk to your parents or your friends to, yeah, to start to build the confidence. And then the number 3 is of course you need to believe to yourself. I mean, you have to make sure if you can do it, and then you make sure yourself is you are the good person, you are not loser. I mean, you can do it, you can uh uh, s- uh solve this problem. I mean, you can yeah, you have more confidence. And then the last tips is, of course, we have to pray to Allah or Jesus. So pray is, I think, is one of the most important when we to make nervous and fear is disappear. Because if we pray first, like maybe salat or something, so it's make yourself is more confidence, and then it's gonna be like easy to speaking to the others. I think that's it from me. The tips of speak how to uh make nervousness and fear is disappear. So I think that's it.
So it's 4 minutes 45.
4 minutes 45.
Yes, sir.
Almost 5 minutes, sir.
4 minutes 45. Wait. Let me type. 4 minutes 45. Okay. Yeah. Kevin, you are thinking about anybody and then you choose. Yeah.
Siapa ya? Mas Burhan kayaknya, sir.
Mas Burhan. Okay, Mas Burhan. Thank you, Kevin. I think that is a very good choice. Yeah. Okay, because you are soulmate to him, right? Okay.
Not, sir.
Okay, Burhan. Yeah.
Yes,
You
sir.
listen to Ranti, yeah, for the. Okay, wait.
It's okay. It's okay.
Wait, yeah. Yeah, Ranti. Yeah.
Okay, I will start. 1, 2, 3.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So good afternoon, everyone. I hope you have a good day and have nice day because today is kind of so has cloudy day and has raining and extreme storm. Like uh we can prediction what time is come is raining or become is shining. Like what we topic about today, fairness and pada saat what ya? Sorry, forget. Oh yeah, fairness and fairness. I'm sorry, very. And today topic is fairness and fairness. So let's say we talk about the fairness first. What is the fairness? Fairness is some generally is what is the discuss that we can explain about. Like we say saw something, we can see, but our friend is can see, or like the other, the friend is see something, but the we can see the something. It's like general. Fitness is like a lot what is it? A lot of meaning when we come in the topic, but fitness. But I'm talking about is today. Is why so why should we have a fitness? Because fitness is make we great. Why? Let's say it. When you come to first graded school, like you are really is confident or not, then you must have one fitness. Like you know one to make a friend with the other one, or you don't wanna get close with the other one, or you begin feeling bad about the other one. Is yeah, something strange feeling is coming in first day of school. Like that is fitness. But when you get closer and get closer, you will know each other because that fear make we get together. Fear make we close. Then let's talk about nervous. Nervous and fitness is like something is that can be robbed. I was robbed. When you community fitness, look, you always nervous. That's why fitness and nervous is always together. But but nervous is looking for a better of you. Like before a fitness, like a fitness, nervous is always make me a better person that before. When let's talk about the fitness again. When you fitness, you feel uncomfortable and you feel something strange, feel something busy, feel something, yeah, like a lot of things, but nervous. When it comes to nervous, you should accept it, accept it. You should accept it. Why? Because when you not accept the nervousness, you will not be anyone. You will be getting close with anybody. What is that? I'm sorry. Okay, I continue. So I continue get this alarm. I don't know. that 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 is nervous because I don't know that alarm come from. What is that? I fear this. I should continue or stop with. Okay, then the look at other reaction. I must continue. Okay, like the alarm that come nowhere. I don't know. That is spinners, but you must confident and you nervous like this. Even when I get just I get I get distracted with the alarm sound, but I still continue it because I fight with the spinners. That's good. I win. That is the like the nervous. You must believe yourself. You must confident yourself. You must accept yourself to be a better person and better good guy in the society. My name is Burhanuddin. That is for all. That's it for all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
So,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
so it's 5 minutes and 55.
5 minutes 55. Okay. 5 minutes 55. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So Burhan, yeah. Yeah. The alarm came from the ghost. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Nobody sent you the alarm. Okay, the alarm came from somewhere you don't know. Yeah. So now forget about that. Now you choose someone. Yeah.
Okay, with some wisely decision, I choose Mr. Rahim.
Mr. Raihan. Okay. Thank you, Burhan. So Raihan, yes. Say something, Raihan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you appear on my monitor in my wide screen. Yeah. So focus on Ranti. She is counting. Yeah.
So I'll count now. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Wow.
Oh.
Everybody look at me. Wow, 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 wow. What's happening? It seems like everybody wants me to say something. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Okay, I'm so sorry. I have to go. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, have you ever feels like that? Yeah? Yeah.
Yes.
Have you ever caught on that situations?
Very scary. Scary.
Really? Yeah, that is actually something that I want to talk about.
Yeah.
It's about nervousness and fearness of public speaking. Well, everybody should have this experience on some degree, of course, yes. Well, I remember about my first experience when I had caught in a situation that I have to give public speaking. It was back when I still a child, back when I on the boarding school. There is a session where I had to give a public speaking called Muhadharah. Maybe some of you already know that, where I have to prepare a speak to give the speak in front of the people, a lot of people, and I should go in um yeah, in front of people in what is it? Yeah, in a stage. Well, I remember specifically that I have like 1 month in preparing, and then when it's like 1 more week to go, I try myself to prepare, and then on the D-Day, I got really anxious. I got really nervous. And then at the time that the MC called my name and I come to the stage, and then I start talking, then everything goes black. And I forget everything about what I trained, about what I prepared. I don't know how to talk. I don't know how to speak. I don't know how to do anything on that stage. So that is actually a fear of public speaking. Actually, everybody somehow got that. Google it. So it's just that actually 72 to 75% of the population have this fearness. It's actually the fearness that is more common than the fearness of death, for example, a fearness of height, or a fearness of spider, for example. Fearness of public speaking is more common to happen with people. So if you have that problem, don't worry, everybody has. So I have this, you know, way after that, after the first time I give public speaking in my boarding school, like 15, 20 years after that, when I already have a job and I also have community with many people, well, I look back. When I have this experience, I do have still have the fearness of public speaking, but it's not as much as when I still at boarding school. And what happens actually? Well, when you have this opportunity to give a public speaking, I will give you some of the tips. Actually, specifically, 4 tips. Well, actually, people can say many things about tips and tricks in overcome the fearness of public speaking, but I concluded into 4 points. And the first, yes, the same thing with other people say that be prepared. You have to prepare the talk. What do you want to talk? Actually, the unpreparedness of talking, the subject that you want to talk, is actually the source of the 90% of your fearness and anxious. If you don't know what you want to talk, 90% of the fear will overwhelm by you. So to overcome that, be prepared. For example, Mr. Ian has taught us to prepare about the public speaking, the talking about the fearness and the nervousness about the public speaking. So Google it, make a research about it, take a test, and memorize it if you have to. So you know what you want to talk. Once you don't know what you want to talk, or you didn't understand what you want to talk, that's the source of your fearness. That's the source of your anxiousness, because you will be feared that people will judge you. Who do you think you are? You don't know about public speaking. Why do you talk about it? So that is your fearness. Second, after you know what you want to talk and you understand what you want to talk, you have to know your audience. Who your audience? Do you whether you talk in front of many people, adult people, or maybe you will talk in front of the whole university, or maybe you have to talk in front of maybe kids and children. It will be very different. So you have to know who the audience are. And then the third tips is, of course, practice. After you know, you master what you want to talk, you master the subject, and then you know the audience, then practice. You can practice by yourself in front of the mirror on, or you can also record yourself in front of the camera, and then you rewatch what the record says, and then you can take notes. Oh, this one is not, this one is yes, and this one it must be improved, and something like that. So practice, and then after you prepare your talk and then know your audience, and you also practice yourself when you are in front of the people, prepare yourself. It means that you have to prepare your body. It means that you have to make sure your shirt is fine, your hair is fine, because it will reduce your worry about, do I look good? Do I look bad? Something like that. So make it short. Yeah. You don't have to be handsome because that's actually God's gift. You can't change that, but you can improve yourself with your shirt, with your hair. See? Uh-huh. Don't forget to get bath first, right? Yeah. So you don't have to make a bad smell, something like that. And then prepare your body to relax. You can try to take a deep breath. There is something that called box breathing. You take your breath 4 seconds very slowly, and then exhale 4 seconds, and do it 4 times. It will relax your body, because when your body is not relaxed, your body is really, rigid, your body is stiff, you will not feel the comfortness. You will not feel the relaxedness. So you have to prepare your body. And then just before you get the talk, control yourself and project the success. You have to imagine yourself successful in giving the talk. So you know where to go. Ah, yeah, I know what I want to go. It seems like when you are driving in some place, you imagine you are arriving uh, in that place. So you know where you are going to. So project your success, and then that's when you have to talk. Well, that's 4 tips that you can try yourself. And then I hope that you can overcome your fearness and nervousness of public speaking. Thank you very much.
So it's 10 minutes.
Yeah,
10
I
minutes
also
and
count
one.
10 minutes exactly. 10 minutes and one.
Wow, 10 minutes. Okay, okay,
Thank
okay.
you, thank you.
Yes. Wait, I'm writing something here. Yes. Okay.
You may also want to count one, sir. It's 10 minutes one. It's over 10 minutes.
No, no, no. I understand 1 minute, yeah. But I appreciate what Raihan said, 1 minute and one, because I just want to make Raihan happy. 1 minute and one. Okay. See, he was a little bit complaining about that, Ryan T. Okay, 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 okay,
Well,
Raihan.
since you said that minimum 5 minutes, I don't know about what the maximum are.
Yeah, no, no. I didn't say anything about maximum, right?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, at least the idea is that the more you talk, that is indicating something, right? Positively. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now Raihan, you have only Ranti and Fadli. You choose. Mute, please. You are
Oh.
muted.
Yeah. Well, Fadli, it's time for you now.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Fadli, you listen to Ranti for her count.
Okay, Fadli. Hope you're ready. 1, 2,
Okay,
3.
go. All right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Uh, I mean, ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about something that affects us all at some point or in our lives. Like nervousness and fear in public speaking. It's a sensation that can grip even the most confident individuals. Like it is causing their palms to sweat and their breaths to race at the mere thought of standing before a crowd. But let me tell you something. Nervousness is not your enemy. You should know your enemy is someone who tell you not to speak and not to spitting what you want to spit. And it's your companion on the journey to growth. It's a sign that you care deeply about the message you're about to deliver. It's a reminder that you're stepping out of your comfort zone. And like public speaking is not being a fearless. It's about facing your fears head on and pushing through them. It's about harnessing that nervous energy and channeling it into a passion and purpose. Think about it, man. Like some of the greatest speeches in history were delivered by individuals who were trembling with fear. Yet they found the strength to stand tall and to raise their voices and to inspire to change. So the next time you feel those butterflies is floating in your stomach, embrace them, man. Like take the deep breath, remind yourself of your preparation, and step onto the stage with confidence. Remember, it's not being perfect. It's about being authentic. Your audience isn't expecting flawless delivery. They're craving connection and authenticity. So speak from the heart. Man, shut the fuck up. And be truthful and let your vulnerability be your greatest strength. In the end, the only way to overcome nervousness and fear in public is to face them head on and time again with each speech, with each step out of your comfort zone. You you will grow stronger and more confident and more capable than you ever thought possible. So go out there, my friends, and let your voice be heard. The world is waiting to hear what you have to say. Just like what Eminem say, if you had one shot or one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it or just let slip? Yeah, you have to capture it, man. Like, okay, yes, sir.
Okay. That's
Saya
all.
padahal mau mau ini sih mau apa? Mau mau
Mau nge-rap ya?
iya, cuma nggak jadi deh.
Okay. So, is that it?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Ranti?
So it was 2 minutes and 58.
Oh my God.
Okay. 58.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Raihan, how could you imagine that Fadli is going to rap?
Yeah, because he quote Eminem.
Iya, sir, tadi kan itu kan lirik.
Yeah, I know that.
Iya.
Okay.
Kalau boleh nggak apa-apa.
Maybe he's going to do that next time. Yeah, some other
Yes.
time. Yeah. Wow.
Good.
Okay. So,
Maybe in UTS ya.
oh,
Emang boleh, Pak?
no, you are going to have different topic.
Kalau boleh nggak apa-apa, Pak. Saya hafal soalnya.
Oh, yeah, but if it is related to the new topic I'm going to give, why not? Okay. Okay. So I think Burhan, I need your help. Do you have any stopwatch?
Google have it, so I can use Google.
Are you ready?
Wait, sir. Wait.
Because it is impossible for Ranti to count herself. Yeah. Yeah. And then she's going
Okay.
to double her time. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's right. That's right.
Instead of telling the true time. Okay, Burhan?
So Mbak Ranti, are you ready?
Oh, okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
I'm sorry.
You count, yeah, Burhan. You count, okay?
Okay.
Okay, start. Yeah, Burhan.
Okay, I count. 1, 2, 3, start.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So I believe everyone has their own set of fears. And do you remember what is your biggest fear when you were younger? As for me, it was water. Yes, water was my biggest fear. I felt like I'm in danger if I just get close by to the water. And when my friend asking me like, would you like to go to swim with us? And in my head, I will think like, I might drown in the swimming pool because I don't know how to swim. And if your fear is get too intense to you, you might be having a phobia. But luckily for me, I have two greatest brother who encouraged and also motivated me. So as a philosopher Nietzsche once mentioned, what doesn't is stronger. So this means also if I don't learn how to swim properly, those irrational fears might control me and also eat me alive. Well, even though it is a nerve-wracking to learn how to swim, I was able to conquer my biggest fear. And nervousness is a feeling of anxiety of something, while public speaking is one of the challenge that I'm still overcome. And if there is a task or a presentation that I have to do in front of people whom I don't know, I might feel nervous, cold sweat, and also sometimes shuddering while I'm speaking. So to overcome this fear, this nervousness, I have to prepare myself, practice it, and hopefully it will succeed. And also, as what doesn't if I learn how to do public speaking, I won't do it in the future. So do you think when you are growing up, this fearness and also your nervousness will go away? I don't think so. You might be having another challenge in your life. So through your experience and maybe your age, you can control it, how to overcome your fearness and also nervousness. Maybe talk with someone, with your best friend or your family who can support your nervousness and also your fearness. Or if it's very heavy for you to talk with your family or your friends, you can also talk with the specialist how to overcome your fearness and also your nervousness. And for me, the best way that I can do is I have to take a deep breath and don't think about the challenge that I have to face. I have to practice first and make myself comfortable with the challenge that was given to me, and hopefully I will succeed. That's all about it. Thank you.
Burhan,
Yes, sir.
what's the time?
Uh, I don't know it's right or wrong, but it's 3 minutes 24 seconds.
Okay. 3 minutes, 24
Second.
seconds. Okay. Yeah. 3 minutes, 24 seconds.
I don't know, it feels longer than that. Maybe I really enjoy what Ranti said, so I faded
You're
away.
dreaming on it.
Even I when doing was record this is right or not? This is Google wrong or I am wrong?
No,
I
no.
feel it's the whole night. He's talking.
And this is hard for you to listen what I'm saying.
No. Yeah.
Just be
Bur-
honest. It's fine.
No, it's
Bur-
like a bedtime stories. It makes me feel like I want to get have a good sleep.
Oh. Okay, okay, okay. Burhan, thank you very much. Yeah, don't worry. I trust you as well as I trust your Google. Okay,
Oh, Ranti
especially
so thirsty.
Nanti was so.
Ranti, you said that you fear of water. Why do you always drinking
I
water?
I feel nervous because
Okay, okay.
Hello, Pak Yoga.
That's my yoga.
Why,
Okay.
Ranti?
Okay. Everybody, I have my own notes, and then I think I am going to deliver the notes in very quick way. Yeah. Let me start from Kevin. So I hope this is going to be good for you, especially to improve your better performance, especially for your midterm test. Yeah. Kevin. Yeah. I think you better uh, make it more complete in your description. For example, you can start with the definition or something. So you can have more important things that everybody can learn from your speech. Yeah, because what I can say is that yeah, the explanation is not complete. Yeah, Kevin. So make sure you can do another research for you to get more complete information. Yeah. Even though you have three strategies, yeah, coping strategies for nervousness and fairness, actually you can add more because maybe for coping you have three, for fairness you have three, so you have six. So make it more, yeah, comprehensive. Yeah. So that's my comment to Kevin. And then Burhan, I like the way when you started with the definition, yeah, and I think that is really good one, yeah. The problem is that next time you probably need to find better examples, yeah, related to the topic of public speaking because you mentioned something, for example, to become a better person. I think that statement, like becoming a better person, is not exactly related to public speaking, yeah. uh, Becoming a better person is too way far from public speaking. So you better, Burhan, to choose another example or statement related to exactly what we are discussing here. That is public speaking. Yeah. I believe that you mentioned that becoming a better person, something like that. Yeah. Okay. And then let me go on to Rehan, I got very impressed with the way how you started. Yeah, I
Thank
knew
you,
that
sir.
I knew that was a strategy. Yeah, but I could not stand to give you appreciation. That was very good one. Yeah, and then you also had a very good structure. Yeah, what I mean is that you started with the opening, and then you had the story, and then after that you continued with your strategy. Yeah, even though when you said four you show your five fingers. Yeah, okay. And that was exactly how nervous person is, yeah, on public.
Yes, yes. My thumb is it's
Oh, okay, okay.
angry if I don't want to sit like this. He want to also join
Oh, I
with
see, I
this.
see. Okay, okay, it's supposed to be a unity. Yeah, okay. Yeah. And then also in every time you have your explanation, you also share the examples, yeah. And I think I really found the examples are related and supportive, yeah. Even though when you are mentioning something about uh, how to become handsome, I think you are talking about me. Thank you. Because you mentioned my name, yeah, in the very
Oh yeah,
beginning, yeah.
yeah,
Okay, okay.
yeah.
I think you are very, very good.
I'm glad that you know what my intention
Yeah,
is.
yeah,
You
yeah.
are really sensitive, sir.
Wow. Amazing, amazing. Yeah. Okay, okay. Okay. So congratulations to Raihan. Yeah,
Thank you.
keep doing this. Yeah. Even though is it my feeling that you were really nervous in the very beginning? Because it seems to me that you didn't really speak fluently. Is that am I right?
Yeah, that's
Okay,
one
okay.
of the thing. The second thing is that because I am sitting, yeah, not standing.
Oh,
So
I
I cannot
see.
be relaxed with,
Okay.
because every time I talk in public, I will usually rise up and then, standing and then sometimes
Okay, okay.
walking because it will relax
Yeah.
my body as
Okay,
well.
okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Yeah. So that is going to be part of your strategy next time. Yeah. That
Yes.
you use the strategy of moving around or something like that. Okay. Thank you, Rehan. Now, Fadli, I think the most point that important point I want to tell you is that not complete. Yeah, Fadli, your presentation or your speech is not complete. That's what I'm. Hey, Fadli, where are you? I'm talking to him, but he's
His
nowhere,
present is also not
somewhere.
complete.
Oh, I think he is meeting Eminem, yeah, because he would like to say sorry to Eminem because he promised Eminem to rap. Yeah, yeah. I hope that he is going to listen to this. That his speech is not complete. So yeah, okay. And maybe I assume that he is probably reading from the monitor. But I think that is okay. Yeah, in terms of online speech. Yeah, it is okay. But again, not complete. That is a very important thing I want to share to uh, what's that, Fadli. Yeah. And then Ranti, you really did great because you said in the very beginning that you are not going to reach more than 5 minutes. You did it exactly.
Sir,
Less than
your
five
video
minutes.
was
Stay what,
I
paused,
think
sir?
so I
yeah,
don't.
that is what we call consistency. Yeah. You,
Sir, your video was paused in the middle, so I don't
Yeah. So you
understand
said
what you are trying
stay
to say.
what?
huh?
You talk about stay what? Because you are just freezing.
Oh, what I mean that Ranti stayed consistently because
Oh,
in the very
consistent.
beginning she said that her speech, yeah, is not going to cover more than 5 minutes, and then she did it. That is what I call consistency, but in negative way. I'm very sorry, Ranti.
Consistent, yes.
Yeah, I thought when I gave you 5 minutes to make better preparation, you add some more points. Yeah. So Ranti, you are going to make it better by having another point of explanation. Yeah. So I can say that you can make it better by having another point. Like Kevin, maybe what I can suggest you is that to do some more research. Yeah. And yeah, because it is especially because you are limiting your topic not related to public speaking. That is probably why, yeah, your speech is quite short. Yeah, yeah, less than 5 minutes is very short to me. Yeah, and then that is not going to happen in midterm test. Okay, I've already got my own notes and then score for everybody. Now, for your Google form, I need everybody to make sure you submit. Yeah. And before we close, I would like to share this, yeah, that actually I also have my own PowerPoint for this related to our discussion, nervousness and fairness. Uh, I start with the, okay, sip, sip. Okay. Uh, Waalaikumsalam. I'm going to read it very quickly because, yeah, I'm thinking about the time. Nervousness and warfare, condition in which the speaker cannot control his or her speech, and that effects on bad performance. So, nervousness and fear will give you bad effect, negative effect. Yeah. So this is exactly something you have to overcome or to cope. Yeah. And then let's see the causes. Yeah. There are three causes of why people get nervous or get fear. The first one is the accident, mental problem, and then insufficient practices. I'm very glad that Raihan. Oh no no, is that right? Raihan, yeah, said something about practices. Yeah. Okay. Aranti also as well. She said something about practices. Ranti said something about mental problem. Yeah, if not mistaken, I heard somebody here said something about mental. Yeah, and then accident. Let's say mental problem. This is something about individual case, maybe traumatic. Yeah, maybe when you was young, when you were a kid, you got problem, and then that is a kind of traumatic problem. Okay, and then for insufficient practices, so this is not going to happen for your UTS. I need to ask, for example, personally to Burhan. Burhan, for this 2 days practice nervousness, how many time did you practice? Because it seems to me that you are not really practicing. Did you practice?
That actually I'm 100% sure, but because I prepared it, but like when I read it and I try it to practice it, somehow I feel not like it. I don't
Uh,
know, but I like to say casually and talk langsung bahasa apa ya?
Direct?
Yes, direct and talk to direct to
Hmm.
everyone. So when I practice it to myself, I think this is not me. This is not
Okay.
how I
Oh, yeah,
speak
yeah, yeah.
like
Yeah.
that.
Okay. But my tip for you is that, Burhan, you need to have outlines. So in your hand, you have outlines. Yeah. For example, number one, you have to say this. Number two, you have to say this. And then because you say that you prefer to say directly, yeah, that means that you don't really need practicing. But what you have to do is that preparing your notes, yeah,
That's it, sir.
the outlines, yeah, okay, for better performance, for especially for UTS or anytime. Maybe next time you become ketua RT, maybe you have to deliver your speech, yeah, okay.
Next time I going to president, sir.
Okay, yes. I believe that you are going to become a very good president. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And then the accidents. Yeah. Okay. Maybe this is not something going to happen, but yeah, for online there is probably problem with the accidental thing, mechanical thing, technical thing. Yeah. Like Burhan said, oh, somebody sent me alarm. Yeah, that is actually kind of accident. Yeah, and then he frankly said he had to cover that problem. But I enjoy no, not I enjoyed, but I really appreciated the way how Burhan coped with his problem when he got alarm. Yeah, that alarm comes from I don't know. Yeah, who sent the alarm? You yourself, actually, Burhan. Okay, next.
Maybe
Uh,
it's Burhan's Google, yeah.
yeah,
I think it's my Google. Yes, my sir.
yeah,
I
yeah,
heard.
yeah. That's why. Yeah, Burhan loves his Google. Okay, and then there are only two things to do with nervousness and fear: avoiding and coping. So before that happens to you, you have to avoid. And then when that happens to you, you have to cope. Yeah. Avoiding means before you are on the stage. Yeah. And then the coping is that what you do when you are on the stage or what you do when you are delivering your speech in the middle or during the speech. Yeah. Doesn't he look like Burhan here? No, he doesn't look like Burhan. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
It's my brother from the
You
another
you
country.
are, yeah, that is your brother. Yeah. Okay, so the ways of avoiding never fear is that you write great outline of speech and use it in proper time and way. Use it in proper time and way. Yeah, so Ranti, I think we remember our discussion. It is okay for you to have your outline, yeah, as long as you don't read the whole time of your speech. Okay, and then comprehensive practices. That's why I jokingly asked Ranti how much time did you use? 24 hours? Yeah, that means whether or not you really fully practice. Yeah, maybe you practice 1 hour enough. Maybe some other people need more than 5 hours, for example. Yeah. And then the other one is therapy. And this is something Ranti said, yeah, therapy. Did you say it like that, Ranti? If I'm not mistaken, you said something about therapy.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay. So therapy is the way how you avoid in order to avoid no. So therapy means you need to consult with somebody who is expert in this part. Yeah. Yeah. You cannot talk to somebody else's except to someone. We are talking about psychiatrists. Yeah. Okay. Next. Ways of coping. Whenever this is about coping, not avoiding. Whenever I'm doing in the moment of space, speaker can do several ways or trick. Yeah, so he or she can continue and finish his or her speech. As we discussed in our topic about trick, one of the usage of the trick is that to cover your nervousness. Yeah, yeah. When you get nervous, you don't know what to do, you don't know what to say, you probably need to think about the trick. Yeah. I think the more you practice, the more you have experience speaking in front of public or on the stage, I think the more you can do this thing. Yeah. For example, amazing opening, yeah, repeating some important points, moving around, yeah. If you forget on something, you probably can move around just to think about what you have to say. Or you repeat some important point because you lose your idea. Okay. And then the amazing opening, like Raihan did today. Wow, it was amazing. Yeah. Okay. How could you get that idea, Raihan?
Yeah, you taught us, sir.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
It's actually a trick number one. Do weird acts.
Okay. And that was really, really tricky one. That was really, really tricky one. Wow, amazing, yeah. Okay, now we get another one. Read outline to cope for getting point. So it is okay. I tell you again and again, it is okay to read the outline because that is also the trick when you forget about something you are going to say. Okay. But again, because you have the audiences to face, so you have to avoid looking at your notes the whole time during your speech. Change tricks when audience seems unreactive. Maybe when you find the audience are not reactive, you change the tricks. Yeah, that's why a professional speaker needs to have many ways or many tricks. Yeah, to perform in on the stage, and then open two-way communication to break ice. Yeah, that is another way to do. Yeah, for example, your audiences do not react to what something, and then you start maybe two-way communication. Yeah. And then there are many other tricks we can discuss. The trick are casuistic, and then only practicing and exercising. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, for if not mistaken. Yeah. Oh, your assignment. No, no, no. Okay, there is no assignment. So everybody, yeah, that's it. Okay. Any question before we close the session?
Do you say something before you close
Oh yeah,
the share screen? Because you are
Yeah,
breaking
yeah.
up actually.
Yeah. No, no, no. I didn't say anything.
Okay.
Actually, I got shocked because I didn't see you. Yeah, it happened. I didn't see you at all. I thought there must be a technical problem. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Ranti, thank you very much for becoming a good timekeeper. Yeah. And then also Burhan. Yeah. Thank you to your Google. I don't thank you. Yeah.
oh gitu sir.
And then thank you for the alarm that you created by yourself. Yeah. But you forgot. Yeah. And then
That's
Kevin.
definitely not me, sir. Really, that's not me. I don't know what the come from.
Oh, okay. And Kevin, thank you because you are the first person to deliver the speech. Yeah. And then,
Sir. I have
yeah.
some questions, sir.
Okay, sure, sure, sure.
So we have to give the score, right, to the
Oh,
others.
yes,
How
yes, yes.
how about not the person is not join the Zoom, sir, like Ervina
Oh, yeah,
and
zero,
Apen.
zero or just blank. Yeah, yeah,
Thank you,
but
sir.
I suggest you to give zero. Yeah, okay. Because if you are familiar with Excel, yeah, yeah, if you don't have zero, yeah, and then when we are making average score, yeah, yeah, blank is considered to be uh, not counted. Yeah, yeah, but zero will give you effect. Thank you, Kevin. So I suggest if you haven't submitted yet, give zero. Very good question. Another
Also,
question.
everybody have to fill something because it's actually mandatory tick. So if you left it blank, Google will not allow you to submit. So you have to give
Oh
something
yeah.
score. Yeah.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. So Kevin, like or dislike, you give zero for anybody who is not here today. Yeah. Thank
Okay,
you,
sir.
Ryan. That is confirming.
Hi,
Yeah.
hello,
I
Kevin.
also have questions, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Wait,
For
wait, wait, wait,
our
wait, wait, Ryan.
yeah.
What? Burhan seems to say something. What
Oh
is?
yeah, yeah.
Just scary Kevin, sir, because
Oh,
he
you just
famous
tried.
like.
Okay,
Yeah,
you just tried to
I just begin
yeah.
to fear the Kevin.
Uh,
Okay, okay. Kevin, say thank you to Burhan. Yeah.
Thank you, Burhan.
You're welcome, Mr. Ian.
Okay. Raihan, what is that?
yeah, for our midterm test, so we have to go to campus and then prepare for the public speaking and then perform in front of the class. Then,
Yes, yes.
okay, do we will we involving another people to be an audience?
Yeah, actually, I'd love to. Yeah, I'd love to. I'd love to open the stage on Plaza. So we've got another audiences. Yeah.
All right, okay,
Blind audiences. Yeah.
okay. I'm just curious because, like I said, that know your audience. So I asked you about the audience.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right,
Yeah.
right.
Okay. Thank you,
You
sir.
you know, you just remind me about something what we had when we were in COVID
Ah,
90 yeah, situation. You know what I asked the students? They have to deliver their speech in front of their family consisting of more than 5 people.
wow. Good idea.
And then you know what the student did? A
Mm-hmm.
tricky one. Yeah. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
They included babies. Yeah. And then kids. Their
But no pets,
argumentation,
right?
yeah, their argumentation is that babies and kids belong to people. Oh my God.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh my God.
That's actually great idea. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. So Raihan, this is not COVID, so you are going to have your speech exactly in front of audiences. Yeah.
All right. Thank you, sir.
No, 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 no. I'm afraid we don't have many audiences. Yeah, because Saturday class is quite, you know.
Yeah,
Sir,
no problem.
since it will be on the second week, is it is it in the morning or in the afternoon?
Oh, it is up to you. If you have any suggestion, if dominant of you are able to make it in the morning, maybe I can do it because I'm free in the morning.
For women, usually they choose morning because their makeup still fresh, you know.
Wow. Yeah.
And I would like to have a longer off days during the weekend, maybe.
Do you think that Branti is being makeup? I don't think so.
Well, we don't know because
She
she
prefers
will perform, right?
she prefers to have natural one.
Yeah, she probably changed her mind to make
Oh,
her
I see.
confidence, you know. Yeah, because she will perform in front of
I
people.
will follow Karehan's suggestion
Ah,
to
good
make myself
idea.
confident, right?
Oh, okay,
And
okay.
making myself pretty first.
Yeah, that's
Wow.
right. We can change our face, but we can improve our face, right?
Yeah, if you bring lipstick, maybe Burhan can borrow. Yeah.
Yeah, we can change our ugliness, but we can improve our ugliness.
Okay. I think I have to close this session before everybody is asking something weird question. Yeah. Okay.
But I have one more question, sir.
Okay, Burhan. Okay. Yeah. Welcome.
From the public speaking and method test tomorrow, or maybe next week, or maybe next month, or maybe next year.
Are
If
you sure?
not,
Are you sure expecting to have UTS next year? So
not
that
Next year, it means that Burhan will not pass the test.
if
that's the
I fail the
point.
test next year. Uh, is that allowed to bring in some tool?
Well, sure, sure.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, that's part of the tricks.
Yeah, that's part of the trick. That's
Yeah.
part of the strategy. Okay. So you want to bring your grandma?
Tools not of not of family, sir.
I thought your grandma is a tool for you to perform.
Oh my God.
You don't know yet, yeah? Because I haven't given you the topic, yeah?
His
Oh,
grandma is his cheerleader.
like that.
Go Burhan, go Burhan.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. I can imagine that. Okay. That's very, very interesting one. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Any more? Maybe I would like to invite Fadli to ask a question. Yes, Fadli. Yeah, okay. That's very good question, Fadli. Wow. He is
He's
still
still meeting
talking.
with Eminem, sir.
Yeah, he's still talking with Eminem. Maybe Eminem got a little bit disappointed, yeah, because he Fadli promised him to rap, yeah, and then he forgot. Okay, that's it.
Sir, you keep saying Eminem, Eminem. I just remember about chocolate because of you. You know
Anime.
those chocolate?
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
Eminem.
That's Eminem, not Eminem. Yeah, it's different.
That's very funny. That's very funny. Yeah, something I learned from today's experience. That Ranti is actually funny.
Oh, yeah. I
Okay,
got it, I got it.
next time I'm expecting to have another kind of that joke. Yeah.
So, Mr. Yan will steal your joke.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Good luck
sir.
with you all. I
Thank
really
you, sir.
enjoyed this session. Thank you. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh. See you
warahmatullahi
at
wabarakatuh.
Mites.
God bless us, everyone. Dan Kevin
See
jangan
you,
lupa
sir.
sholat.
Ya,
Rutin
jangan
sholat
lupa sholat.
dulu.
OTW.